I noticed earlier that I've got a nail in my rear tyre, so I'm going to see if I can pull it out. There it is. Let's just set you up so that you can watch this amusing procedure. There we go, I need to pull that out. So I've got a pair of wire cutters I'm going to try first. Just see how far in that is. Okay. The trouble is, if it's really long, it's going to hiss like crazy and the tyre's going to go down. And it's actually quite close to the edge of the tyre, so I'm not sure a tyre place would willingly plug it. And that is very long. And there we go. The tyre's going down. Now, before that goes down completely, I'm going to jack up the car, loosen the wheel nuts and take it off. Now, being the sort of crazy loon that I am, I don't think I've ever tested the spare wheel on this car. So let's see what we find. Spare wheel is underneath in a canopy, so if you can, this is all we've got. So I've got a jack, that looks pretty cool. Used once, perhaps. I've got a jacking thing. I know that in here I have a spare wheel locking nut. There it is, thankfully. That's good news. And we've got a thing for the jack to help put it up. What else have we got? There's a thing on the floor here that says spare tyre on it, so I'm going to need to get in there. I've got a screwdriver here, that's handy. This is all the things that just happen to be here. So let's see if this works, shall we? Oh, there we go, happy days. There's a big nut under there. I guess that will loosen. I'm going to check underneath, see if it's moving. Yeah, I think that's undoing the spare wheel, so that's good. Before I do that, I'm going to see if this jack will prop up the car. Because if you'll remember, my tyre's going down, so it'd be pretty sensible to get that done first, wouldn't it, really? Right, let's see if we can find the jacking point. Jacking points here. Just going to pop the car in gear. Just to help if it starts to move. Just before this gets off the ground, I'm going to loosen them up. A trusty wrench. Cool. God, I put these covers on the locking nuts, they're really annoying. There it is. That one's not as tight. That's good. One loose. Good. Carry on. Good work. Okay. We're off the ground. Let's get the spare wheel. Oh, there we go. I think this might be older than me. $17. Got enough tread on it, haven't we? Yeah. Oh look, got no centre. Let's get the centre out. Protect the hub. There you go. Okay, so that's going to need some air in it. It's actually a Goodyear Wrangler, that tyre, but I have a feeling it's an old one. I'm going to check the date stamp on it, see what it means. If it's really old, then I'm going to be pretty quick about changing it. It is quite close to its legal limit, so it's quite a good one to have as a spare, because you don't want to have a new tyre as a spare if if it's a cheap old wreck of a car like this one. But yeah, I'll get some air in it, and maybe we'll run it. I'll have a look at that tyre, perhaps get it to the tyre place and see if I need to change it or whether it can be plugged. Hope that was interesting. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.